Hello and welcome to Crystal King's Makeup Maven, now turning into Crystal King's Healthy Lifestyle with Crystal. So I am changing up my dynamic, changing up what I send you. As much as I still love makeup and I will still do makeup videos, I want to encompass more of the healthy lifestyle that I live and sharing it with you, and of course the Arbonne lifestyle. I am an independent Arbonne consultant and a district manager, and I absolutely, positively love Arbonne as much as I do today is the first day that I signed up. So today, we're going to talk about Tuesday's tip. And today's tip is sort of a makeup tip and sort of not a makeup tip. So when you receive new products that are cosmetic products, especially when we are talking about eyeliner, eyeshadow, but most importantly, eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, and mascara. A good tip is to put a date on it when you open it. So you can see on the bottom of this, I put the date 10/18. This is a makeup primer, and you can do it with a Sharpie. Some of the Sharpies you'll probably need for most of the products that are in black. You'll need that gray Sharpie that you can see, or the silver Sharpie that you can see on black items. But I write the date that I open it, then I know when I should get rid of it. So for any kind of liquid eye product, like liquid eyeliner and mascara are the most important, that's a 3-month product. And you can tell when something has gone wrong with your product because the product consistency changes. So it might get thicker, it might start to clump when it never did before. The reason is some sort of bacteria, either from your eye or from the air or from accidentally pumping bacteria in there, has gotten into your product and changed its consistency. So that is the time to get rid of that product and get a new one. So this has been Crystal King. I am, as always, your makeup maven, but also changing into your Arbonne lifestyle guru. So I hope that you continue to watch and send me questions, send me suggestions of what you'd like me to talk about. I'd love to be able to share a little more of my Arbonne life with you. So thanks so much, and I hope you make it a great day.